Hello, my name is Kyle Rodder and welcome to this week's Investor Spotlight. The ASX's August reporting period has come to an end, so this week we take a look at how the market reported and take a look at 4 stocks that moved off the back of their results. Generally speaking, the ASX 200 delivered better than expected results during the reporting period. Because of the way corporates release their results on the ASX, not every company delivered a half or full year update during the period. However, an overwhelming majority did, with 166 reporting. Based on numbers derived from Reuters data, profits grew by 56.5% over the year, while dividends dipped modestly to 1.7%. According to an analysis performed by FN Arena, 30% of companies reported better than expected results, 40% had posted in line with expectations, and the remainder missed estimates. By the end of August and the reporting season, the ASX 200 finished a slim 20 points higher. Here are 4 stocks that delivered eye-catching results for the period and maybe ones to watch going forward. Whitehaven Coal was one of the market's standout performers in August, largely due to surging coal prices. Whitehaven also handed down its full-year earnings during the month and delivered a much stronger than expected set of financials. Profits beat consensus by more than 10%, and while the dividend was lower than expected at 48 cents, commitment to buy further shares with a buyback program eased some of that disappointment. Whitehaven also delivered an upbeat assessment going forward about business, stating it expects elevated thermal coal prices to continue as global energy shortages bite parts of the world economy. Whitehaven's technicals show very bullish price action, with price action going parabolic in recent months. The stock hit a new record high in the month of August, breaking resistance at the previous all-time high around $7.30. The market rewarded A2 Milk's full-year results, with the company another one of the best performing during the earnings period. A2 Milk's profits came in at $123 million for the full year, exceeding the $110 million consensus estimate. Revenues also beat by a solid 3%. The company's English label product drove the success, though the growing China segment continued to perform solidly with revenue growth of 12% and growing market share, all despite demand headwinds in the country. Guidance came in line with expectations, but market participants welcomed the strategic outlook from the company's management in its earnings call. A2 Milk's share price is showing signs of bottoming currently. The price is potentially building a rounding base, with the weekly RSI trending higher and above the 50-point midline, suggesting some building upside momentum. Altium smashed estimates for its full-year results and was one of the ASX 200's biggest one-day rises on the day of its earnings, with a nearly 20% rally. Underlying profit was 10% higher than had been expected by the market, driven by strong growth in the business's design software and Octopart products. Guidance was also stronger than expected, with FY23 forecasts to deliver earnings between growth around 15 and 20% higher, which is 4% higher than market estimates going into the reporting period. This comes despite what the company has flagged as weaker subscriber growth and headwinds stemming from China. The share price of Altium has been stuck in a long-term range. However, a recent breakout has pushed short-term momentum to the upside, with price testing resistance at $38 per share. WiseTech's FY22 results saw its stock launch from its recent lows, despite delivering a set of numbers largely in line with expectations and providing guidance within existing forecasts. Such was the bearish sentiment towards the stock that the numbers drove a significant 12% gain on the day of the result, supported by the company announcing a new partnership with UPS. The stock ended the month of August 16% higher and near a record high. WiseTech's August surge was propelled its share price towards resistance at $60 per share. A break to new record highs might see new buyers emerge and push the stock even higher.